If you're looking for a truly unique adventure experience, discover Jamaica's hottest new attraction, Rainforest Bobsled Jamaica at Mystic Mountain. Located in Ocho Rios, just minutes from Dunn's River Falls, Mystic Mountain is a special combination of thrills, adventure, eco-friendly fun, and awe-inspiring views. Rising 700 feet above sea level on 100 acres of lush, dense tropical forest, Mystic Mountain overlooks the azure waters of the Caribbean on Jamaica's beautiful north coast. Rainforest Bobsled Jamaica at Mystic Mountain exemplifies the natural, unspoiled beauty of Jamaica. Begin your adventure with a breathtaking 15-minute ride on Rainforest SkyExplorer. The views are stunning from every angle. The heart of the Rainforest Bobsled Mystic Mountain experience is this picturesque 1890s recreation of a Jamaican railway station. This beautiful multi-level building is home to a mini museum celebrating Jamaica's proud athletic achievements, renowned culture, island history, and the promotion of environmental awareness. Stunning panoramic views of Jamaica's north coast and lush hillsides make a visit to the Lookout Tower an absolute must. Stellar views are also the centerpiece of our restaurant, R2 at 700 feet. Before your adventurous day ends, make sure to stop in at our Mystic Treasures gift shop, full of everything from resort wear to classic craft items. If speed's your thing, you have definitely come to the right place. Bobsled Jamaica is our signature attraction, and you can ride it without getting frostbite. You'll race through the forest on custom-designed bobsleds with gravity doing all the work. Imagine a bobsled roller coaster through a tropical forest, only in Jamaica. Our super popular zipline course is another can't-miss adventure. Even for the slightly faint of heart, our expert instructors take every rider through a comprehensive training program. And once out on the course, all you have to do is let go and enjoy the ride. Nothing rivals a zip line for the full forest interactivity, and safety is always our #1 concern at Mystic Mountain. This environmentally friendly attraction for all ages is the perfect way to spend a perfect day in Jamaica. Great shopping, infinity edge pool with Waterslide, bar and restaurant, mini museum, incredible views, and 3 unique tours. Bob Marley saying there's a natural mystic blowing through the air. Visit Rainforest Bobsled Jamaica at Mystic Mountain to discover the natural mystic and to have an adventure to remember forever.